am I today? Well, this looks like a lot of places in Taiwan, but you'll soon see it doesn't. It's an old port city of Keelung. I've been here before. Very working class town from what I think, anyway, it looks like. It's right on the coast, so there's a lot of boats. We'll look at some boats today. And it's just around the corner. It's very compact, and yeah, it rains a lot here. It's near the coast. It's a shipping port, so you'll see that soon. Just around the corner, more or less, up a few blocks. It's interesting. It's very tight in these streets. They have a really big, popular night market. Obviously, lots of seafood. We are right next to the ocean. But yeah, it's old and very compact and very working class sort of town. It's very interesting. So let's take a look at Keelung. And I'll give you a few shots. It's a nice day. It's not really it's not like a nighttime, that's when markets get busy, but I think the market's through these streets here, so give you an idea what it looks like in the day, which won't be like a big market thing. I'm not a market dude anyway, you know, once in a while. But you get an idea, like, I mean, this is an old town, but this will be, looks pretty, well, I don't want to say a bad word, bad now, but they have market stuff up here at night. That's why it's all closed now. But it's an old town. Like, I mean, yeah, it's right by the ports. Like, I mean, a lot of import-export stuff. Stuff comes in right off the boat. Literally. Right off the boat. You're like 4 blocks away. Yeah, but it looks like kind of like a dump in the daytime because everything's just gets set up at night. There might be a few things open in the day. Let's check this out. Getting some bad light into this one. Oh, okay. So during the day, this will be super busy at night, but even during the day, you can see somewhat busy. I'm not doing that. If you want to see a market thing, it's just all food. If you want to see a market video or whatever, just type in Keelung night market. I'm not going to go down there. Just wanted to show you the city. It's old. Like, it's an old feeling city. It's not like Taipei. The streets are very small. I mean, you know, I like it on a bike. It's interesting to walk around, but yeah, it's an old city. It's got some charm though. You know, like there's a shop, everything's a shop, you know, just whatever you want, like you name it. Tons of stuff. Tons of character. Yeah, I like coming here. It'd be kind of frustrating living here because it's so packed everywhere you go. Like, I'll show you a few blocks up here. This is pretty typical. Now this is a Monday afternoon. I mean, this is not busy time. So you can imagine, like, at peak busyness. Yeah, even on a Monday afternoon, right in the middle. Kind of a good time to go. Things are sort of open, most little shops and stuff like that. I'm heading back to Taipei. I'm going to follow the traffic out of town. Again, this is, well, not again, but everything's sort of within a few blocks of the port. Tons of stuff. Tons of cheap stuff. Looks like someone else is cycling up there. Anyways, that's it. Got some character to see the place here. Hope you enjoyed it. And hope you come back. Like and subscribe if you want to. If not, whatever. Alright, I'm going back to Taipei City. So, I got the wind behind me. Maybe I have a friend up here too, we'll find out.